Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to add music to an Inshot video. Here's a 7-step guide to adding music to a video using the Inshot app. Open the Inshot app. Launch the Inshot app. Import your video. Tap on Video, on Album, go to Video section, and choose the video you want to edit from your gallery, then hit the check button. Go to the Music tab. Once your video is loaded, go to the Audio, tap on the Music option, select Add Music. Tap on Tracks to explore the following options. Featured Music. Browse and choose from Inshot's music library. My Music. Add music stored on your device. Effects. Provided by Inshot. Preview and add music. Now, I go back on Featured, then on Vlog, tap on the pollen, then tap on a track to preview it. Now, if you liked it, tap the download icon if needed, and then tap Use to add it to your video. Adjust the music. Drag the music track along the timeline to sync it with your video. Use the Trim or Split tools to adjust the music's length as needed. Adjust the volume of the music track. Save your video. Once satisfied, tap the check mark to confirm the changes, then hit Export button in the top right corner to export your video with music. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.